In this program, we have to find the length of a given string. We are not going to use string library function. We have to calculate the length of the string by using for loop. So hash include stdio.h, then int main. Here I'm taking char str. Name of the string is str, and I'm giving it a size of 20, comma, Now I'm taking one integer variable I and I'm initializing it with 0, semicolon. Now I'm asking user to enter a string, enter a string, and getS str is the name of the string which we have taken. Now while end of the string is marked with null character, while str of I is not equals to null, till then this loop will run. Then what we have to do, I plus plus, and in the end here we have to print our value of I, because I will be holding the length of the string. Printf within double quotes length of string is equals to %d, because length is always integer, and then return 0. Save it and then build it. Run it. It is asking me to enter a string. I'm giving hello. It has given length of the string is equals to 5. So how this program is working? So here we are asking user to enter a string, and here we have taken string in getter through getters str. Suppose we have taken hello, hello. It has 5 characters, you can see. So end of the string is always marked with null character. We cannot see that character, but there is a null character behind the string. So it is checking. Here we have initialized I with 0. Here it is checking str of I, that is at present value of I is 0. So it is checking at 0 position. Whatever element we have is not equals to null, then I plus plus. Here at 0 position we have H. So it is not equals to null. So it is increase the value of I from 0 to 1. Here I is 1. Now it is 1. It will go up and again it will check. Now our control is at E position. Okay. Now value of I is 1, 0, 1. That means str of 1 is not equals to null. No, it's not equals to null, because at this position we have E. It will increase the value of I by 1. Now it is I is 2, from 0, 1 and now 2. Now 2 at this position our control is. Now it is checking str of I is not equals to null. That is str of 2 is not equals to null. No, it's not null, it's L. So it will increase the value of I by 1, and now it is 3. 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now control is here. Now it will again go up. It will check if str of 3 is not equals to null. 0, 1, 2, 3 is not equals to null. No, it's not null, it's again L. So it will increase the value of I by 1. Now I is here. Again it will come up and check str of I, that is at this position we have 0, O. It is not equals to null, it is not null, so it will increase the value of I by 1. Now it will again come up. Now it is at null character, because we have taken string hello, hello, and after O there is null character. So it will check if str of I is not equals to null. Now it is equals to null, so here loop will break and the final value of I will be printed here. So let's run it again. I have taken hello. It has given 5. Similarly, if I give some other string, hello space all. So it has given length of the string is equals to 9. It is calculating the space also, because space is also a character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters of hello. 6 is the space. 7, 8, 9 all. So there are 9 characters in hello all.